Graddedigion, rhieni a chefnogwyr, croeso cynnes iawn i chi gyd i seremoni raddio yr adran Daearyddiaeth a Gwyddorau Daear, adran Theatr, Ffilm a Theledu, adran y Gymraeg ac Astudiaethau Celtaidd. Graduates, parents and supporters, a very, very warm welcome to you all to the graduation ceremony for the Department of Geography and Earth Sciences, the Department of Theatre, Film and Television, and the Department of Welsh and Celtic Studies. Fy enw I yw Jean Jones, a fi fydd prif dywyswr y seremoni raddio yma prynawn yma. Fy rôl I yma heddiw, gyda gweddill y tîm yn y neuadd, yw I sicrhau bod y seremoni yn rhedeg mor esmwyth a phosibl. Cyn I ni ddechrau, dwi am dynnu eich sylw at rai pethau ynglyn â'r seremoni. Fe fydd y seremoni yn dechrau gyda'i gorymdaith o staff yr adrannau academaidd, gwesteion a swyddogion y brifysgol. Hefyd, ar y llwyfan bydd Bethan Bryn a Ioan Gael a fydd yn derbyn cymrydoriaeth y brifysgol yn ystod y seremoni. My name is Jean Jones and I will be your Chief Marshal for this ceremony. My role, along with the rest of the team in the hall, is to ensure that the ceremony runs as smoothly as possible. And before we start, I just want to highlight a few things about the ceremony and how it will work. The ceremony will begin with the procession of staff from the academic departments, invited guests, and the officers of the university. Also on the stage this afternoon will be Bethan Bryn and Johan Gael, who will be receiving a fellowship of the university during the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn dechrau gyda anerchiad gan ddirprwy ganghellor y Brifysgol, Mr Aled Rhys-Jones. Ac yna fe fydd Lowri Bebb yn dod i'r llwyfan i gyhoeddi'r proclamasiwn. Fe fyddwn wedyn yn barod i groesawu chi'r myfyrwyr i'r llwyfan. The ceremony will begin with an address by the Pro-Chancellor of the University, Mr Aled Rhys-Jones, followed by the proclamation of the congregation read by Lowri Bebb. We will then welcome you students to the stage to receive your awards. The head of department will then move to this lectern and say a form of words in Welsh that present the students to their award. An example of this is, Anrydeddus ddirprwy is-ganghellor, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a nillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau. This translates as, Honourable Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students from our department who have gained the degree of Bachelor of Arts. We will then invite the students to cross the stage to formally receive their awards as the heads of department read the names in order. After the students have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be invited to stand and be greeted by the Pro-Vice-Chancellor in Welsh with the following words. Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol amddiriedwyd i mi, derbyniaf chwi I radd baglor yn y celfyddydau ac I holl freiniau'r radd hon. This translates as, by the authority of the university entrusted to me, I receive you to the degree of Bachelor of Arts and to all the privileges of this degree. The Pro-Chancellor will then greet the students and say, boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad. Translated as, may your care ever be for the success and good name of our university and country. There will be a slightly different running order for the smaller groups of students, including the PhD students, whose degrees will be conferred on the stage or in front of the stage. But essentially, the words spoken by the presiding officers are similar. Full details are provided in the graduation brochure, including the translations. I gloi'r seremoni, mi fyddwn yn sefyll I ganu'r anthem genedlaethol, ac ar y diwedd yn gofynnwn I chi beidio a gadael y neuadd, nes bod y swyddogion a staff y brifysgol wedi gadael y llwyfan. At the end of the ceremony, we will stand to sing the National Anthem of Wales, and following this, we will ask that you do not leave the auditorium until the officers and the staff of the university have left the stage. Bob blwyddyn, Rydym yn enwebu elusen fel elusen y flwyddyn. Eleni Rydym wedi bod yn codi arian ar gyfer ambulans awyr Cymru. Elusen sydd yn ddibynnol ar roddion, ond sydd yn cynnig gwasanaeth allweddol i'r rhai sydd angen sylw meddygol brys o fewn ein cymuned gwledig. Os ydych chi'n gallu helpu ein ymdrechion I godi arian, fe fydd bwced casglu a wrth y drysau wrth eich iadael. Bydden ni a Ambulance Awyr Cymru yn ddiolchgar iawn am eich cefnogaeth. Every year, we nominate a charity as the University Charity of the Year. This year, we are raising money for the Welsh Air Ambulance, an all-Wales charity dependent on fundraising to provide key service for those in need of urgent medical attention within our rural community. If you are able to help our fundraising efforts, there will be collection buckets at the doors as you leave. Both we and the Welsh Air Ambulance would be very grateful for your support. Os oes argyfwng yn ystod y seremoni ac yn ofynnol I ni adael yr auditoriwm, gofynnir I bawb aros ar ei heistedd nes I aelod o staff eich cyfeirio at yr allanfa berthnasol. Hefyd, os oes na ddamwain neu ddigwyddiad yn ystod y seremoni, fe fyddwn, os oes angen, yn stopio'r seremoni i ddelio gyda'r mater. Wedi dweud hynny, fyfyrwyr, cymerwch eich amser, does dim bris. I gerdded i fyny ag i lawr i grisiau yma, byddwch yn ofalus. Dyma'ch diwrnod chi. Mwynhewch. In the event of an emergency requiring us to leave the auditorium, we request that everyone remains seated until you are directed by a member of staff to the relevant exit. Also, if needed, we will stop the ceremony to deal with any incidents or accidents that occur. That said, students, do please take your time. There is absolutely no rush. Walking up and down these stairs when you're nervous and excited is something to do very slowly. This is your day. Please enjoy it. Thank you for your attention, and we are now almost ready to begin. Diolch yn fawr iawn am eich sylw, fe fyddwn yn barod I ddechrau yn fuan iawn. Diolch yn fawr.
Prynhawn da, gyfeillion, a chroeso cynnes iawn i Aberystwyth ar y diwrnod arbennig hwn. Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Aberystwyth on this very special day. Fy enw I yw Aled Rhys Jones ac mae'n fraint, wir yn fraint, i mi wasanaethu fel dirprwyd anghellor y brifysgol hanesyddol a hynod bwysig hon. My name is Aled Rhys Jones and I have the honour of serving as a Pro-Chancellor of Aberystwyth University, a much-loved national institution admired and respected around the world. Gobeithiaf y bydd heddi yn aros yn eich cof. Yr awyrgylch, y balchder, y llawenydd, a'r ymdeimlad dwfn o weld ffrwyth eich llafur. Heddi, rydych chi'n graddio o Brifysgol Hynaf Cymru. Sefydliad sydd wedi cyfrannu cymaint at fywyd ein cenedl a'n pobl. Aberystwyth University is the oldest in Wales. Founded more than 150 years ago, it carries a proud heritage and a lasting responsibility to serve learning, Wales and the wider world. Today's ceremony therefore belongs to a long and meaningful tradition, but it is also deeply personal. It marks a significant milestone in your journey and a moment from which each of you will go on to make your own mark on the world. I also want to pay tribute to the academic community, including those who join me on the stage here this afternoon. Through their dedication, Aberystwyth continues to be a leading place of learning, discovery and care. We also welcome important officials and members from our wider community. Croeso cynnes iawn i chi yma hefyd. Diolch o galon i dîm academaidd talentog a gweithgar y Brifysgol. Mae heddi yn benllanw ar ei hymdrechion a'i ymroddiad hwythau hefyd. Ei gwaith i gynnal enw da Aberystwyth ac i gefnogi pob un ohonoch chi ar hyd y daith. Much of their work is quiet and unseen, but its impact is clear in the achievement we celebrate today. Please join me in thanking them for all they've done to support your success. Diolch yn ddiwylliant i nhw gyd. Wherever life now takes you and whatever opportunities lie ahead, we hope you will carry something of Aber with you. You are part of its continuing story and you are part of its family. Dyma un o wythnosau pwysicaf yng nghalendr y Brifysgol. Wythnos i ymfalchio yn eich llwyddiant ac i ddathlu yng nghwmni teulu a ffrindiau annwyl. Wrth i chi agor pennod newydd ar eich bywydau a'ch gyrfaoedd, cofiwch hyn. Byddwch am byth yn rhan o deulu'r Brifysgol a'r dref hon. Ewch ymlaen i'r byd a hyder gan wybod ein bod ni yn eich cefnogi chi ac yn dymuno gweld pob un ohonoch chi yn barhau i lwyddo ac i ffynnu. Our mission is to change lives for the better through education and academic research. You, our students, give that mission meaning. Our students and staff bring many cultures, languages and perspectives to this community. We are especially proud that the ceremonial heart of today's occasion is conducted in Welsh, a language through which generations of Aberystwyth graduates have been honoured and welcomed into our alumni family. Today, you join that worldwide family too. I warmly congratulate you. It is a real achievement and an honour. Felly, estynwn groeso cynnes i chi drwy'r Gymraeg, fel rhan o'r seremoni hanesyddol hon. Wrth i chi groesi'r llwyfan, byddwch yn cofio'r eiliad hon am byth. Byddwch yn camu i'r dyfodol a nerth ein prifysgol yn gefen i chi. As our graduates cross the stage, it will be a defining moment, a threshold between what has been achieved and what is still to come. That deserves to be recognised, so please don't be shy. Cheer, applaud, and celebrate them. Rowch Gymraeg calonog unw, because every graduate here today has earned it. This is a special day for the university, for you, and for all those who have supported you. Make the most of it. Enjoy the ceremony. Take in the moment. It is one you will look back on with pride. Felly, llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi gyd. Mwynhewch y diwrnod hwn ar dathlu. Rydych yn heiddi pob clod a boed I aber aros gyda chi fel angor tawel drwy dymhorau bywyd. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd.
Gorau awen gwirionedd. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad awdurdodedig heddiw yma yn nhref Aberystwyth. Trwy awdurdod Siarter Brenhinol Prifysgol Aberystwyth, rydym yn ymgynnull I dderbyn i'w priodwobrau fyfyrwyr sydd trwy afrydiaeth yn y brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw wobrau. Dathlu neu llwyddiant yn y gobaith y cant fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethu eu hoes a'u cenhedloedd, a thrwy hymdrechion a'u cyflawniadau, y cyfrannant at wybodaeth a bydd cenedlaethau I ddod, ac ymrafael ar heriau sy'n wynebu ein byd. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth. Gorau awen gwirionedd. The best inspiration is truth. Let it be known to members of the university and to all here present that today an authorised congregation is being held here in the town of Aberystwyth. By the authority of the Royal Charter of Aberystwyth University, we meet to receive to their appropriate awards those students who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of their awards. We celebrate their success in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their countries, but also that through their efforts and achievements, they may contribute to knowledge and well-being for future generations and confront the challenges that face our world. A world without knowledge is no world at all. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth.
Yn fwydyddus dew pris gangeglo, cyfrinaf I chi, fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd dystysgrif addysg uwch. Tabitha Walters.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi, rwy'n cadarnhau eich bod wedi derbyn tysysgrif addysg uwch a holl freiniau'r tysysgrif hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Yn Fydeddus Dew Plis Cangeglo, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'r hadran ni a enillodd radd baglo yn y Cenfyddydau. Joshua Blinco. Mark Mackenzie Jones. Joshua Simmons. Lucy McManus. Morgan Dryborough. Darren Ellen Jevon. Mabon Aaron Roberts. Gethin Emrys Day. Hope Cartwright. Katie Merry. Helen Barrias Benavente. Gillian Cartmel. Caws Kane Edie Cliff. Lucy Eads. Gwyn Evans. Tristan Griffiths. Neo Hales. Oscar German. Wyn Jevons. Toby King. Taylor Lee Luther. Fiona McCauley. Laura Preston. Mabley Fleer Reynolds. Emily Celeste Rocha. Tilly Skinkis. Nancy Taylor. Marcel Wells. Sean Winston. Katrina Article. George Barton. Corey Bates. Amy Berridge. Abigail Bostock. Alicia Brown. Ewan Brown. Eloise Griffiths. Lillian Grace. Darius Oliver Horty. Joshua Herod. Kelsey Hind. Godfrey House. Luke Husselby Owen. Daniel Hughes Impey. Sarah Jannison. Lucy Michelle Jones. Dominic Lockett. Erin Marmaras. Joe Martin. Jessica Myers. Joseph Proudman. Danny Michael Quinn. Marcus Sapsford. Nicola Tams. Aidan Thompson. Heidi Way. Jaden Young. Georgia Zephyr. Amelia Cropper. Olivia Finley. Grace Jones. Thea Loth. Alice Nichols. Benjamin Parr. Alexandria Thomas. Ava Lodge. Manon Morris Jones. Amy Strange. Rebecca Jones. Freya Adams. Henry Astley. Iestyn Barnes. Nino Brown. Matthew John Cadman. Ryan Evans. Harry Futrell.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniad chwi I radd baglor yn y celfyddydau ac I holl freiniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Yn fydyddas daw pris gangeglo, cyfrinaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a'n nillodd radd baglo yn y cynfyddydau. Zachary Gargenti. Jacob Halliwell. Nikolai Houston. Lucy Jenkins. Harry Michael Jinks. Asher Lewis. Thomas Maybury. Ella Rose McDowell. Lewis Murphy. Luke Peterson. Charlie Wigglesworth. George Wilkinson. Liam Willis. Tanya Chakadona. Cuddy Harv James. Toby Miller. Evie Penfold. Zara Phillips. Melia Southgate. Lauren Boyle. Sam Hill. Finn Swan. Isaac Burnham. Lucy Knowles.
Anrhydeddus i'r Prwys Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau. Seamus Fennell. Victoria Jones. Esther Davis. Mirain Undeg Francis. Undeg James. Lloyd Jenkins. Gwenno Mae Roberts. Ned Williams. Sean Lewesyn Dafydd. Deo Ifan. Eleri Marshall. Anrhydeddus ddiprwys gan gellwr, cyflwyn efo chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglwr yn y celfyddydau. Luke Bennett. Adam Clark. Hannah English. Nicole Teresa Hayes. Emily Howarth. Gwyn Rodri Jones. Harry Medcalf. Lucy Stevenson. Bethany Story Barrett. Hanail Chung. Caitlin Goodman. Tallulah May Hill. Danny Reynolds. Holly Roberts. Robert Scopes. Elliot Simmons.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi, derbyniaf chwi i radd baglwr yn y celfyddydau ac i holl freiniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus ddiprwys gan gellwr, cyflwyn efo chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglwr mewn gwyddoniaeth. Christopher Farmer. Kieran Gulliver Brown. Ewan Howard. Elliot Jones. Matthew Jordan. Harry Lawrence. Charlotte Paget. George Strange. Dylan Wadsworth. Amy Almond. Katie Lyons. Charlotte Appleyard. Rafay Baig. Matthew Blakeway. Emily Brocklebank. Amy Cragg. Emily Crowther. Maria Elliott. Natasha Evelyn Grundy. Kyle Hakesley. Emily Judson. Harry Owen. Amy Packer. Leo Swan. Maria Tosheva. Percival Verney. Cormac Walkington. Ella Ward. Luke Woodward. Georgia Olivia Gray. Sophie Stockton. Matthew Barber. Keen Barton. Thomas Bishop. Dominic Bone. Louisa Bradshaw. Eloise Burrows Gray. Ruth Charman. Megan Davis. Sophie Davis. Noah Fairbrother. Jama Sa Louis Fasaluku. Shane Flavel. Natalia Fox. Philippa Hart.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi derbyniafchwi I radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth ac I holl freiniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus ddirprwys gan gellwr, cyflwynaf eich chi fyfyrwyr ond hadrannu a enillodd radd baglwr mewn gwyddoniaeth. Daniel Hobson. Victoria Horavova. Caitlin Jones. Bethan Kibble. Matthew Lamerton. Faye Lewis. Joseph Main. Emily McDermott. Morgan Nurse. Matthias Luke Pavlidis. Ruby Peacham. Anna Pennington. Mackenzie Redding. Marco Steinfat. Doyle Walker. George Whale. Sydney Whittington. Fionn Williams. Taylor Wilson. Lucy Yates. William Newton. Martha Gibbs. Thomas Benjamin Bray. Callum Capewell. Brooke Chappell. Grace de Middler. William Durkin. Benjamin Peter Evans. Alex Froud. Evelina Gwynn. Sophie Jones. Freya Jowett. Sophie Kearney. Josiah Lakin. Rebecca Leahy. Daniel Meehan. Erin Perkins. Aled Rees. Ben Smith. Dominic Summers. Matthew Wagstaff. Isabel Walker. Jessie Whitehead. Georgia Williams. Frederick Yates. Mark Greenwood. Yestin Morgan. Scott Parker. Isabel Florence Peters. Megan Broom. Gethin Heyman. Samuel Hopkins. Callum Kerr. Teresa Bondos Persad. Charlie Collard. Daniel Pryddech.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi, derbyniaf chi i radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth ac i holl freiniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus ddirprwys ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyriwr o'n hadran ni a enillodd dysysgrif uwchraddedig y Brifysgol. Elin Haf Thomas.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi, rwy'n cadarnhau eich bod wedi derbyn dysysgrif uwchraddedig y Brifysgol a holl freiniau'r dysysgrif hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn i'r cymhwyster hwn.
Anrhydeddus ddirprwys gangellwr, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd diploma uwchraddedig y Brifysgol. Amber Morgan.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi, derbyniaf chwi i ddiploma uwchraddedig y Brifysgol ac ei holl freiniau'r cymhwyster hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn i'r cymhwyster hwn.
Anrhydeddus ddirprwys gangellwr, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro yn y celfyddydau. Bluebell. Chloe Evans. Joseph Wesley Scarrett. Lewis Terry.
Yn fyddeddus dewprys gan geglo, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro yn y cynfyddydau. Chloe Beecham. Heather Kirby. Bo Maibaum. Jade Chanel Marino.
Anrhydeddus ddirprwy isganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro yn y celfyddydau. Carys Davies. Bethan Davies. Laura Jane Nia Pritchard. Michael Anjay Harris Edwards. Cameron Damien Jenkins. David Thomas.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi derbyniaf chwi i radd athro yn y celfyddydau ac i holl freiniau radd hon.
Hawddamor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrhydeddus, ddirprwy isganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn gwyddoniaeth. Matthew Clark. Laura Ann Davis. Rachel Hope Dewhurst. Bethan Gwentlian Evans. Catherine Ford. Ellie Mae Phillips. Oliver Smolt. Harry Edward Walker. Charlotte Watts.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol, ymddiriedwyd I mi derbyniaf chwi I radd athro mewn gwyddoniaeth ac I holl freiniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrhydeddus ddirprwy Isganghellor. Cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn athroniaeth. Lowri Elen Bebb. Twm Ebsworth. Hedd Llwyd Edwards.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi derbyniaf chwi I radd athro mewn athroniaeth ac I holl freiniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrhydeddus, ddirprwy Isganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd doethyr mewn athroniaeth. Gregory Gareth Edwards. Sandy Stevens. Joseph Alexander Windsor.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi derbyniaf chwi I radd doethyr mewn athroniaeth ac I holl freiniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn doethuriaid.
Dirprwy ganghellor, dirprwy is ganghellor, raddedigion, gyfeillion. Pleser o'r mwyaf yw cyflwyno Bethan Bryn yn gymrawd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Mae cyflwyno cymrawd wystad yn fraint, achos chi mewn cwmni rhywun go arbennig. Ond mae cael cyflwyno rhywun sydd wedi dylanwadu'n uniongyrchol ar gynifer ohono ni yma yn ystafell hon yn fraint go unigryw, ac mae yn bleser cael cydnabod Bethan Bryn yma yn Aber heddiw. Pro-Chancellor, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, graduates and supporters, it is an honour and a privilege to present Bethan Bryn as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University today, an international harpist, composer, arranger, adjudicator, teacher, and one of the most influential ambassadors of cerdd dant in modern Wales. And for us in Aber, a local legend. There will be countless people in this room today who have been inspired by a teacher, or perhaps a lecturer who may be sitting on this stage. Now, 10-year-old Bethan was one of those who was initially inspired by her teacher in Ysgol Bryn Hyfryd, Rhuthun, Dr. Aled Lloyd Davies, who was also an Aber graduate and one of the leading authorities on cerdd dant, that uniquely Welsh tradition where the harp plays one melody and the singer sings a different melody. And for the avoidance of any doubt, for those perhaps who picked up a few words of Welsh in Aber during your time, the dant in this case is the strings on the harp. It is not tooth music. Although, being the musical pioneer and creative genius she is, I wouldn't put anything past Bethan Bryn. However, she very nearly chose a different career and was initially accepted to study sports in Liverpool. She also toyed with the idea of a law degree in Aber, but finally decided on a music course in Rydym. I, for one, I'm very glad you put down your tennis racket and pursued a career playing a very different set of strings. Ymysg rhai o weithiau mwyaf arloesol Bethan Bryn, mae dan y wenallt ac Hilwch ag Olwen. Nawr, heb fod yn feirniadol o bedair cainc y Mabinogi, mae gan Bethan Bryn nes at 100 o geinciau i'w henw hi. Ydy, mae'n gyfansoddwraig doreithiog, ond yn bwysicach na hynny, oedd hi'n ddigon dewr i newid sain cerdd dant a gwthio rheolau traddodiadol yna oedd hi wedi trwytho yn nhw. A chodi sawl grychyn ar y pryd. Ond pwy allai bechu gyda rhywun a wnaeth ddefnyddio Stranger on the Shore fel cainc cerdd dant? Ers degawdau, gallwch chi weld a chlywed gwaddol Bethan Bryn ym mhob nodyn ar bob math o lwyfannau ar hyd a lled y byd. One of Bethan's many distinguishing features is her ability to bring people together, often through music, of course. She understands that success is really an individual endeavour. It's built through collaboration, encouragement, and mutual trust. Colleagues, friends, and those fortunate enough to work alongside her speak not only of her capability and her perfectionism, but also of her kindness, her inspiration, and unwavering support, although she is her own greatest critic. On a personal level, I stepped onto the stage to accompany cerdd dant for the first time as an 18-year-old girl, and I'll be honest, seeing the legendary Bethan Bryn in the audience was a little bit terrifying, but her encouragement, her support, and her advice, delivered in her characteristic no-nonsense tone, meant I kept going. And I am only one example of 100, if not thousands of people that she inspired and empowered. Aberystwyth University's values of integrity, togetherness, and pushing boundaries shine through Bethan. She is always there to lend a hand, and nothing is too much work, even when she's juggling musical pioneering work with raising 4 children. Her roots in Aber are strong, and have worked their way through the schoolyard in Ysgol Gymraeg Aberystwyth, where she taught generations of Aber children, up to the Welsh halls of Pantycelyn, where she, in her legendary shell suits, rehearsed and led choirs to national successes in highly respected cerdd dant choral competitions. Now, over 40 years later, those Pantycelyn students reconvened last autumn, wait for it, to deliver the first ever cerdd dant flash mob live on television, and that was to honour Bethan Bryn, a performance that was overflowing with respect and admiration. A true testament to her inspiration is the fact that many of those young students are now experienced conductors, teachers, and performers themselves, ensuring that Bethan's legacy lives on for generations to come. Her creative ambition continues to break new ground. In 2024, to welcome the National Cerdant Festival to Aberystwyth, Cantata'r Geni was announced, the first ever, yes, another first ever, Cerdant cantata. And I am aware she does hold a bucket list, so stay tuned, I think, is the message. Her influence really has reached every corner of Wales and far beyond. Her published collections of harp music, including Lobscows, Stelcian and Yn y Mood, have enriched the repertoire available to performers and provided valuable resources for the continuing development of Cerdant. Through her performances, compositions, adjudication, educational work, and leadership within the music community, she has ensured that this uniquely Welsh art form remains vibrant, relevant, and accessible to new generations. Fel athro a mentor, mae hi wedi cymell ac annog cannoedd o blant, pobl ifanc ac oedolion, gan feithrin ynddyn nhw ragoriaeth cerddorol, ond hefyd yr hyder na iddyn nhw gael gweld eu hunain bod nhw'n gallu llwyddo. A chi'n gwybod eich bod chi wedi gwneud rhywbeth yn iawn mewn bywyd pan mae'r athro Myfyrwyr Hopwood yn cyflwyno awdl i chi fel anrheg pen-blwydd. A Myfyrwyr hithau, cofiwch, yn un o giwion cerddorol Bethan Bryn. Mae parch Bethan at farddoniaeth yn nodweddiadol hefyd, a'r briodas na rhwng y gair a'r gan yn gwbl anatod. Felly, gan ein bod ni wedi'n croesawu'r seremoni yn sŵn ceinciau mistrolgar Bethan Bryn, gyda diolch i Llio Penri ar y delyn, mae'n briodol i mi felly gloi yn sŵn meistres y geirau, yr athro Myfyrwyr Hopwood, a'i theyrnged hi Bethan. Diolch am bopeth, Bethan. Hwn yw gair diwedd y gan. Ddirprwy Ganghellor, mae'n bleser pur gen i gyflwyno Bethan Bryn i chi yn Gymrawd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Pro-Chancellor, it is my absolute pleasure to present Bethan Bryn to you as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University.
Da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn Gymrawd. Llongyfarchiadau mawr, Bethan.
Well, there isn't much left to say, is there, really? I think Bauer has covered everything that I wanted to say. I feel very old when I realised that it was 60 years ago since I graduated. But it's been wonderful to be here and see all these young people starting out on their life. And thank you very much, Aberystwyth, for giving me this honour and allowing me to be here today. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi. Diolch yn fawr. Mae nghyswllt i a'r teulu hefo Prifysgol Aberystwyth wedi para ers 1974 pan eithon ni symud lawr o Sir Fôn i Aberystwyth. Y gŵr Bob Morris Jones wedi cael derbyn swydd yn y Brifysgol yma yn yr adran addysg yn ymchwilio ac yn darlithio mewn maes ieithyddiaeth. Ac wrth gwrs, wnaethon ni ddod i lawr hefo fo. Mae un arall o'r teulu, y mab, un o'r meibion, yn gweithio yma yn yr adran cynnal a chadw. A mae yna fab arall wedi bod yn gyn-fyfyrwyr yma o'r adran ddrama fel oedd i amser hynny. Mae'n ddrwg i ni ddeud, yng Nghaerdydd y buodd Owain ag Elin. Felly mae'n cyswllt ni ag Aberystwyth, y Brifysgol yn arbennig, wedi bod yn glos iawn. I would like to apologise
I don't feel very comfortable speaking long words in English, so I'm going to carry on in Welsh. Mae, fel dwi'n dweud, mae'r brifysgol wedi bod yn rhan annatod o'n profiad ni fel teulu. A i mi yn bersonol, un y mawr o hyfrydau mawr y mywyd i oedd cael gweithio efo cor Pantycelyn. Sawl un tu cefn i mi wedi bod yn canu yn y cor, a wedi cael milo o hwyl, wedi ennill lot a wedi cael cam lot o weithiau hefyd, dwi'n siŵr, te. Na, mae wedi bod yn brofiad hyfryd iawn iawn. Ond i yn mynd i roi darlith hirach i chi, ond dwi'n mynd i orffen y fanne a dweud diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae'r anrhydedd yma yn un o'r rhai fyddai'n drysori fwyaf yn ystod y noes. Diolch yn fawr.
Dyrprwy ganghellor, dyrprwy is-ganghellor, graddedigion, gyfeillion. Pleser o'r mwyaf yw cyflwyno Ioan Gael yn Gymrawd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Pro-Chancellor, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, graduates and supporters, it's an honour and a privilege to present Ioan Gael as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University. If you were to ask the ubiquitous AI to make me Mr. Aberystwyth, the person standing beside me now would be the result of that request. He's getting worried now. Yn enedigol o Ben Rhosgarnedd, Bangor, mae e'n gog. Mae wedi byw yn Aberystwyth ers yn 7 mlwydd oed, felly yn gardi erbyn hyn. Fe gafodd ei addysgu mewn ysgolion cynradd Cymraeg lleol ac ysgolion Ardwyn a Phenglais. Aeth nôl wedyn i'r gogledd mwyn hyfforddi fel athro yn y coleg normal gan ennill tystysgrifau mewn addysg ac addysg ddwyieithog. After studying in Bangor, thankfully for us, he returned to Aber and has for over a quarter of a century been working as a tutor teaching Welsh to adults. Os oes rhywun wedi cyfrannu at y nod o filiwn o siaradwyr Cymraeg erbyn 2050, wel, Ioan yw hwnnw. Dwi'n gwybod i fod yn diwtor sydd wedi ennill parch cymaint o siaradwyr Cymraeg newydd. Mae frwdfrydiaeth heintus a'i angerdd dros yr iaith Gymraeg yn amlwg i bawb sy'n ddigon ffodus i gael astudio gydag e. And that passion and energy and enthusiasm that exudes in his work as a Welsh language tutor also extends to his work on stage as pantomime. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, forget it. Sadly, my one and only foray into pantoland here in Aberystwyth in the 1999 production of Puss in Boots as King Roly-Poly was one of the very few years that Ioan did not take part on stage, unfortunately, so we haven't had the opportunity to tread the boards together yet. But whether it's as Dame Nanny Myfanwy, Baron Hardup, Friar Tuck or Widow Twankey, I quote from a review of this year's pantomime, the star of the show is undoubtedly panto royalty. In 2020, Ioan received an award from the National Operatic and Dramatic Association in recognition for his contribution to the Warden's Dramatic Society, a company with which he's been associated for almost 50 years, and it's lovely to see members of the Wardens here in the audience this afternoon. Ond mae cyfraniad Ioan yn mynd tu hwnt i'r llwyfan a'r pantomime. Boed yn cynnal sesiwn Desert Island Discs yn eglwys Sant Ioan Penrhyn Coch, a mae yna lun yn noson ar Facebook yn disgrifio fe fel yr Ioan Gael direidus, the mischievous Ioan Gael. Mae fe'n arwain seremonïau cynnal goleuadau nadolig y dre yn fynyddol, cynnal digwyddiadau dirifedi yn yr ardal. Mae ganddo fe ddoethineb mewn hanes lleol, achau teuluol, I waith elusennol, i gyfraniad. Mae cyfraniad at fywyd Aberystwyth dros y blynyddoedd wedi bod yn amhrisiadwy. A rwy mor falch heddi am bod ni gallu anrhydeddu popeth mae Ioan wedi wneud dros yn tre ni. Dirprwy Ganghellor, mae'n bleser mawr gen i gyflwyno Ioan Gaid i chi yn Gymrawd. Pro-Chancellor, it's my absolute pleasure to present Ioan Gael to you as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University.
Da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn Gymrawd. Llongyfchadau mawr iawn i chi.
I don't know who he was talking about. I'm going to have to rewrite the speech. Wow. Anhygoel. Amazing. Nawr te. We're going to be here for at least 3/4 of an hour, so I hope you're going to make yourself comfortable. Wel, I ddechrau, hoffwn i llongyfarchiadau lu i bob un sydd wedi derbyn gradd pnawn yma. Many congratulations to everyone who has received a degree this afternoon. Wel, braint annisgwyl ond serch hynny, un ddymuno iawn ydy bod yma heddiw ar lwyfan dwi'n gyfarwydd y bod arni ers blynyddoedd. Mae'n anrhyder cael bod yma i dderbyn y gymrydoriaeth hon. It is with some surprise, but nevertheless a great pleasure, that I find myself standing here today, somewhere I am very familiar with, having appeared on this stage many times before. And it is an honour to receive this fellowship from Prifysgol Aberystwyth today. Fel o Jamie'n dweud, dwi'n diwtor dysgu Cymraeg ers dros 5 mlynedd ar hugain, ac wedi mwynhau perfformio ar lwyfan a lliwio digwyddiadau cymunedol am yn agos I hanner 100 mlynedd. For many years, the Aberystwyth University campus has been part of my professional life as a Welsh language teacher, and it's also where I have enjoyed many years of performing on stage and hosting community events here in the Arts Centre, as well as in the wider Aberystwyth area. Bachgen fy milltir sgwar dwi. I'm a boy of my square mile, having lived most of my life a mere stone's throw from this campus, and therefore have been part of the Aberystwyth community for a very long time. Mae'r gymuned sy'n bod yma ar gampws y Brifysgol yn rhan annatod o'r gymuned ehangach sydd yn Aberystwyth. The student community here on the campus is also a part of the wider Aberystwyth community. Dros y blynyddoedd, dwi wedi dod I nabod nifer fawr o fyfyrwyr ac aelodau'r staff drwy'r cysylltiadau cry sydd yn bodoli rhwng y Brifysgol a'r dre. Mae llawer o gyn-fyfyrwyr yn cadw mewn cysylltiad I bod nhw wedi ymadael ar Brifysgol ers degawdau. Aberystwyth is often referred to as being town and gown, and it's because of this strong association between town and gown that I have got to know many, many students and staff over the years. And many ex-students remain in contact despite having left the university decades ago. Nawr, pen llanw cyfnod o astudio yw diwrnod graddio, ond hefyd mae'n amser symud ymlaen at y bennod nesaf. Bydd rhai ohonoch chi yn parhau eich gyrfaoedd mewn sefydliadau addysgol eraill, tra bydd rhai eraill yn ymrestru ym mhrifysgol bywyd. Yr hyn dwi'n gyfarwydd iawn â hi, a chredwch I fi, dyw I ddim wedi bod yn fel I gyd. Fy mod I wedi gwynebu heriau ar y ffordd, mae yna hefyd uchafbwyntiau i'w dathlu, fel bod yma heddiw. Graduation Day is the culmination of a period of study, but also marks a time to move on to the next chapter. Some of you will continue your careers in other educational institutions, whilst others will enroll in the University of Life, with which I'm very familiar. And believe me, it's not always been a bed of roses. There have been, and continue to be, challenges along the way, but there have also been real highlights to celebrate, and today being one of them. Yr hyn sy'n gyson yw'r gefnogaeth dwi'n ei derbyn o fewn y grwpiau dwi'n perthyn iddynt yn fy nghymuned, ac mae fy ngwestai heddiw yn cynrychioli hyn. What is constant is the support I receive from within my community. And my guests at this ceremony, and they're sitting in the front row here, they're the Daearyddiaeth, the rapscallions sitting in the front row, as well as being valued friends, are representative of the varied groups in the community with which I'm associated. Nawr te, wrth i chi symud ymlaen at borfeydd newydd, hoffwn dymuno'r gorau i bob un sy'n graddio heddiw, ta beth yw'ch cynlluniau am y dyfodol, a gobeithio ble bynnag ewch chi yn eich bywydau, y byddwch chi'n cadw'r atgof o'ch cyfnod fel rhan o gymuned Aberystwyth gyda chi. As you move on to pastures new, I would like to wish everyone graduating today the very best for your future plans, whatever they may be, and hope that wherever you go in life, you'll keep the memory of your time as part of the Aberystwyth community with you. And I'm sure you will find that as you follow your chosen path, wherever that takes you, whether it's here or abroad, you will, at some point, meet someone who will have a connection to this very special seaside town. I gloi, hoffwn ddiolch yn fawr iawn i Brifysgol Aberystwyth am yr anrhydedd yma, i'r unigolion a enwebodd fi i'w derbyn, ac i'r gymuned yn Aberystwyth, dwi mor ffodus i fod yn rhan ohoni. To finish, yeah, I am about to finish, so you can all relax. I would very much like to thank Brifysgol Aberystwyth for this award, to the individuals who nominated me to receive this honour, and to the Aberystwyth community I'm so fortunate to be a part of. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.
I promise I won't keep you for 3/4 of an hour. Pnawn da bawb, fe enw I yw'r Athro Armen Jones a dwi'n ddirprys gangellor yn y Brifysgol. Mae'n bleser dechrau trwy ddweud llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi heddi. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Professor Armen Jones, a Pro-Vice Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, at Aberystwyth University. It is with great pleasure that I can begin my address to you here today with a huge congratulations from us all. With that mutual doffing of our mortarboards as you crossed this stage today, not only did you graduate and take a significant stride forward in your chosen field or career, but you also cemented your place as part of a family. That is the worldwide family of Aberystwyth University alumni. Croeso cynnes iawn I chi I deulu alumni Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Mae'n gymdeithas gynnes, yn rwydwaith o gyfeillion a chymeiriaid, a fydd yn hafan ac yn ysbrydoliaeth I chi gyd i'r dyfodol, ble bynnag y byddwch yn byw, gweithio neu astudio. And be in no doubt whatsoever, you deserve it. You worked hard, had good times, and had challenging times, but you made it. You're here, and we are privileged to be able to share this day with you. Rydych chi'n heiddi dathlu, Heddiw, eich diwrnod chi yw i, ac rydw i a staff y brifysgol yn gyd yn ddiolchgar am y cyfle i rannu'r diwrnod gyda chi. For me, it is extra special to see your achievements, as I'm responsible for student education and experience across the university. And your progress and success sits right at the heart of my role. Although I left Wales to study my undergraduate degree at Bristol University, I too once walked across this stage to graduate. I was both an MPhil and a PGCE student here, some time ago now. And I know what a life-changing experience learning at Aberystwyth University can be. For me, Aberystwyth University has truly offered lifelong learning opportunities, both as a postgraduate student and as an employee who gained their PhD through publication here. That is one of the unique aspects of Aberystwyth University life. It does not end with a 3-year undergraduate degree, but it is in fact the start of a new life that may include further study, may be the springboard to employability, or open doors that you have yet to encounter or imagine. Wherever life takes you, you are now and always an Aberystwyth graduate. Ble bynnag yn y byd y byddwch chi'n byw a gweithio, rydych bellach bob amser yn un o'r raddedigion Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Y peth nodedig am Aberystwyth yw nad yw byth yn eich gadael. Gallwch chi ei gadael hi, ond mae yma rhyw dynfa a chanol llonydd y byddwch yn teimlo a ddiwrnod fel heddi ac a fydd gyda chi byth. The unique thing about Aberystwyth is that it never really leaves you. No matter how far you go or how long you are away for, there is something intangible about it that I can't describe. You may feel this already on a special day like today, but believe me, over the years, it only gets stronger. Like many colleagues, I see graduations as great celebrations. And at a time when we look at you, our graduates, and admire the journey you have been on, and feel gratitude and pride that we have been able to play a part in those journeys. There is a lot going on in the world today that challenges us, and that has been true for some time. You are a generation that have lived and learned in the shadow of the COVID pandemic. You have come through testing economic times and witnessed global instability, the likes of which has not been experienced in most of our lifetimes. And with all that, you have successfully graduated. To do so, you have shown resilience, determination, as well as a huge amount of talent. The planet will doubtless continue to face significant challenges, financial, political wars and instability. But I, for one, take great comfort and excitement knowing that solutions to those challenges will be shaped by you, Aberystwyth graduates, and graduates like you from all over the globe. The future is indeed bright. I think it's probably orange, isn't it? Gai ategu rhywbeth y dywedodd ein cyngellor yn gynt heddiw. Today, you may see some of those people who have helped you throughout your studies here, lecturers and other Aberystwyth University staff. I can honestly say that the staff here are totally dedicated and committed to your success. And I know that today's ceremony will bring a great deal of pride and emotion for them. Felly diolch yn fawr iawn I staff y Brifysgol. A big thank you to the university staff. But looking around, many of you will also see friends, supporters, family members who have been with you and who have supported you during your studies and long before. Even more poignantly, I dare say that some of you may be thinking of those friends and family members who are no longer with us. Whoever it is who has supported you on your journey towards this graduation, I would like you to stand now. Feel free to give them a wave if they're here. Certainly hold them in your thoughts and thank them for all they have done. That worldwide family of Aber alumni I was referring to earlier, well, it's a pretty big family. That's partly because we've been doing what we do here at Aberystwyth for over 150 years now. A century and a half of academic excellence, of career-changing expectations and experiences, and of partnerships and friendships established. Please stay in touch with us and your fellow Aberystwyth alumni. Nawr, cyn gorffen y seremoni, hoffwn i ddweud unwaith eto pa mor falch ydyn ni ohonoch chi, o'ch cyreiddiadau chi, sydd bellach yn rhan o hanes canrif a hanner o ddysgu ag addysgu yma yn Aberystwyth. From today onward, hold a special place in your heart for Aber. Go into everything you do as an energy giver and not an energy taker. Be confident, I'm going to say that again, be confident in your abilities and expertise to make your mark in the world and do what generations of Aber graduates have done before you. Make a difference and change lives for the better. Gwnewch wahaniaeth a newidwch fywydau am y gorau. To conclude, please join with me as we close our ceremony today in the time-honoured way by being upstanding for the Welsh National Anthem, Hen Wlad Fy Nhadau, and if you can then remain upstanding while the platform is cleared.
Diolch.